Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the classification of amino acids. So, there are total three types of amino acids. One is essential amino acid, next one is the non-essential amino acid, and the third one is the semi-essential amino acids. So, firstly discuss about the essential amino acids. What are the essential amino acids? How we can define them? So, these are the amino acids that cannot be synthesized by the organisms in the body and are obtained from the plants. As the name suggests, essential, that means you can easily remember that these are those amino acids which are not synthesized in our body, as they are essential for us. You can remember in this way that they are the amino acids which are essential to us. If they are essential to us, that clearly means that they cannot be synthesized or formed in our body. So how we can obtain them? We can obtain them from the plants. So essential amino acid, I hope you understood. Now moving to the non-essential amino acids. They can be synthesized by the organism and may not be the requisite components of the diet. As the name suggests, they are non-essential. If they are non-essential, that means they do not required in our diet. They are not the main components of our diet. They are synthesized by our own body. So we cannot need to supply them from outside. As the name suggests, they are non-essential. That means they are synthesized by our body or by the organism, whatever we are saying, by the organism, and they are not the main component of the diet. So these are non-essential. Now moving to the next one, that is the semi-essential amino acids. In this you can easily remember that semi-essential amino acids are those which are required by the growing children. As we know that amino acids are what? Amino acids are the building block of protein. They are the building block of proteins. That means, as we know that proteins are required for building the muscles, so it clearly suggests that the growing children, they need maximum amount of semi-essential amino acids. Also, the lactating mothers, which are milk feeding mothers and the pregnant mothers, they need semi-essential amino acids in large amount. So, these are the three categories of amino acid that we have discussed here: essential, non-essential and semi-essential type of amino acids. Now, moving to our next part, next we are dealing with the examples. So, what are the examples? Examples in case of essential amino acid are valine, leucine, isoleucine, phenylalanine, threonine, lysine, tryptophan and methionine. Now how can remember these examples? So don't worry, I am giving you a small trick so that you can remember the examples. As many a time multiple choice questions can be asked, in which you are given with the options that which of the following is an example of essential amino acid or which of the following is an example of non-essential amino acid. This type of question can be asked in your exam. So the trick is VIP. Trick is VIP. So VIP, you have to remember here, very important person. So from V, what you will remember? Valine. From I, you will remember isoleucine. And from P, you remember phenylalanine. Valine, isoleucine, phenylalanine. Okay. And next VIP. And next is leucine. You can easily remember that if isoleucine is essential, then simple leucine is also essential. There is no problem to remember this. After that, here leucine starts from L. Leucine starts from L, so you can remember that lysine also starts from L. So this is again essential amino acid. Now there are 3 other examples which you have to remember. That is, you can remember by this keyword empty square, methionine, tryptophan and threonine. I hope you have learned all the examples of essential amino acid. Now you can easily solve the multiple choice question, as if you have given the options which of the following is an example of essential amino acid, and you can see here rest of the other examples are included in the non-essential amino acid. These are the essential, and automatically you can remember that rest of all are non-essential. But here you can remember 2 other examples. There are 2 semi-essential amino acid. They are your histidine and arginine. How you can remember? Trick is HAS. So from H, here you remember histidine, from A you remember arginine, and from S you can remember semi-essential amino acids. So semi-essential amino acid trick is HAS and essential amino acid trick is VIP, empty square. So from V, valine, leucine, and from P, this is phenylalanine, and from M, this is methionine, and from T, tryptophan, next T, threonine, and LL, you can easily remember. If this is isoleucine here, then simple leucine will also be there, and from L you can remember lysine is also there. So rest of all examples, that is serine, tyrosine, remember your threonine and tryptophan are here in the essential amino acid, whereas your tyrosine is non-essential. There can be confusion in this, as both start from T. So you can also remember this by a short trick. You can remember that tire is not essential. This is a short trick. You can remember tire is not essential. From tire you can easily remember tyrosine. So tyrosine is an example of non-essential. Okay, and other examples are simple: serine, your glutamate, aspartate, cysteine, proline, glycine, alanine, asparagine, glutamine. These all are the non-essential amino acids. So as I have told you, you can automatically remember these all, as these are essential and rest of all are non-essential, and for semi-essential I have given you a trick, HAS. So I hope this is now clear to you. Thank you so much.